Hello everyone, welcome to another new video of tutorials, and today's topic of discussion is noun. Now what is noun? Noun is a parts of speech. There are four types of noun. We have proper noun, common noun, collective noun and abstract noun. So what is noun? The names of people, animals, things and places are called nouns. Example: teacher, brother, tiger, school, pencil and so on. Now teacher and brother are the example of people. Tiger is the example of animal. School is the example of place and pencil is a thing. Now let us see what is proper noun. The special names of persons, animals, places and things are called proper nouns. For example, my pet dog is Tommy. Now you can see that Tommy, the letter T is capital. So this is a special name of a dog, a particular dog. So Tommy is the word and this is proper noun. But dog is not the proper noun. Why? Because there are lots of dogs around us. But Tommy is one and only the name of a particular dog. So this name is special. And you can see that at the end of the sentence, Tommy, T is still capital. Why? Because proper nouns always start with capital letter. Now the second example, you can see King Robert was very generous. Now King Robert, there may be many kings, but Robert, a particular, a special name of a king, and so R is capital letter. Now what is common noun? The general names are called common nouns. The common nouns are many in number. They do not start with capital letter in the middle of the sentence. For example, lion is the king of jungle. Now, lion, king, jungle. These three words are the example of common noun. Now you can ask me that why lion, L is capital? As I told that common noun never start with capital letter, but never start with capital letter in the middle of the sentence. Here lion is the beginning letter of the sentence. So L is the beginning letter of the sentence. That's why this is capital. But if we write lion in the middle or at the end of the sentence, we do not use the capital letter. Number 2. I play in the park with my friend. Here park and friend both are common nouns. Number 3. I like to eat apples and oranges. Apples, oranges both are common noun. Number 4. There are many flowers in my garden. Flowers and garden both are common noun. Now let's go back to the example of proper noun. My pet dog is Tommy. Here Tommy is the proper noun, but dog is the common noun. Dog is the common noun. King Robert was very generous. Now Robert is the proper noun. Okay, but here king is common noun. So this is nouns, only proper and common noun I have discussed today. 2 more nouns are left, collective noun and abstract noun, that I will discuss in my coming video, and I will bring for you lots of examples of nouns and different sentences where you can find out common, proper, collective and abstract. So to get those videos, follow our channel, subscribe, like and let me know that have you liked it or not through your comments. Till then, goodbye.